Do you know why subtitle is important? Not only for reading purpose, but also who cannot listen, for him subtitle is a great option, because while you don't give a subtitle, the person who cannot listen, he cannot understand your video. Hello viewers, welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Amzing Warrior, and in this video I am going to show you an amazing tutorial on how to give a subtitle in your video. So without any further talk, let's jump into the tutorial.
First, I am add a video in my timeline, and for example video I add a logo designing tutorial or logo icon designing tutorial video, and let's watch few portion of this video.
Hey there, welcome to the Global Graphic Design. In this video we will create amazing logo icon of diamond. So let's begin the tutorial.
Okay, so I will add subtitle in this video, and to do this, first select the area from where to where you want to give subtitle. So I am just play this one again.
Hello, sorry for interrupt. For watching more of our videos, check the link I written here.
Hey there, welcome to the Global Graphic Design.
Okay, so I will put my subtitle from here to here, first one, and to do this, first go to text credit, then select subtitle from here and just drag it to here. Okay, and I want to give my subtitle from here to here like this. Okay, I will listen it again.
Hey there, welcome to the Global Graphic Design.
Okay, it's perfect. Now I will add text in here, and before this I will edit this one. Like I will keep my background here from here to here like this, and I will keep my text in here and extend it to here, and select the text box and give here text size. I am giving here 25. Okay, and now I will write my text. So my text was, hey there, welcome to the Global Graphic Design. Okay, and let's watch it again.
Hey there, welcome to the Global Graphic Design.
Okay, and now I will add another subtitle in here, and to do this, first listen it again.
In this video we will create amazing logo icon of diamond.
Okay, so to do this I am just selecting this one again and press Ctrl C for copy this same subtitle and for same style, and press Ctrl V for paste. Okay, and keep it to here and listen it again.
In this video we will create amazing logo icon of diamond.
Okay, and I am selecting this one, keep my cursor here and select all of my text and type my text here. Okay, and listen the whole video again.
Hey there, welcome to the Global Graphic Design. In this video we will create amazing logo icon of diamond.
Okay, and this is how you can create awesome subtitle in your video easily in the video editing software Wondershare Fillmora. And that's all about this video.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you understand all this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, then please leave a comment what you don't understand. Feel free to leave a comment whatever it is. It might be a positive or negative, or it might be a suggestion, or if you don't understand, obviously you would say us. So see you again in the next video, and make sure you have subscribed our channel Amzing Warrior.